Come here. Come here. Okay, follow Mom. Come on. Follow me.
Get that grace.
Come on. Whoa. Okay, go around the corner. You're okay. Come here.
Come on.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Woo. Come on. Come here.
Oh, get a refuel.
Oh. Come here, Cooper.
Wait a minute, he's got to refuel.
Where are we going? Where are we going? Come on. Where are we going? Hi. You just made it across the kitchen, around the island, and back to Mom. You're pretty smart baby. And now time for a snack, huh?